Good afternoon, guys. This is Jeffrey Jones, and I am a spokesman, or will be a spokesman for theboxman.com, where we've changed the way that you should watch TV. And in this video, we're going to look at some smart, short tips to eliminate internet issues when streaming on your devices. If this is your first time to our Stream Machines YouTube channel or our Rumble channel or any other channel, thank you for being a subscriber. Go ahead and click the notification bell if there is one, so you can be notified when we drop a video. Internet connection issues have been coming up in our support group, our tech support group, over the last, I'd say, almost month and a half. It's bringing the same theme from customers that are simply saying, and users, that they're having a lot of stuttering when they're watching something. They'll watch something and it'll go back to the original something, or it's just not a fluid type of transaction or connectivity. So being in this genre and doing this genre for over 10 years, we hear that in our tech support room. We understand one thing. It is 100% a network issue in your house. Now, when I say something like that, or one of our consultants say that to a customer, wow, do they get really offended? Like, oh my God, how can you say that? It's like I really called their mother out of their name, because heaven forbid that it would be my trash internet that is stopping me from really having the experience that I want. And that's how it comes off. So it makes us not want to help when we hear that, and we offer very, very basic solutions. I had a recent customer that is in Wisconsin, and they said, I'm just going to take it to my job, and if it works on my job, then I'll believe you. They took it to their job, they connected it to their job Wi-Fi, and there was no more stuttering. So I want to go over some basic things that you can do, that you should do to eliminate this before you start streaming. Now, I'm speaking this or bringing this to a customer that has made up their mind. They're not going to tip their toe in the water or dip their toe in the water. They're going to jump full force into streaming, as I have over the last 10 years. That means you're going to have to make some decisions. So let's get to the list here. Shouldn't be that long. So the first thing number one, the very first thing you need to fix is your internet. Now, I say that because the foundation of all streaming has to do with your connectivity, your network, how much quality you're getting, and not so much speed. Don't go buy a box. Don't go buy a box with services on it. Don't go do any of that. Fix your network. Make sure it's working correctly before you decide to buy a unit. What is happening in the market is so many people want to eliminate their cable bill that they're forgetting to check their internet. Here's the number one question you should ask your cable company. Do I have a streaming package to stream? Not an internet package, but a streaming package. There's a stark difference between a streaming package and just a standard internet package. You would be surprised at the answer from the cable provider, but because you don't say anything, you get what you get. And what you normally do is you blame it on the box, blame it on the service. Something's got to be wrong because I'm stuttering, I'm buffering, and it's on the box that you sold me. No, it's not. It's on the internet that you have. So that's the first thing. Fix your internet. Number two, if you're going to be streaming 100%, buy your own equipment. Purchase your own equipment. Purchase your own router. Purchase your own modem. Because believe it or not, the cable provider or internet service providers, their equipment is not really up to speed, in my opinion, for anything. They want you to have a rental box fee or a rental fee for renting their equipment. So it looks good on the outside, But man, the nuts and bolts on the inside, a lot of people struggle with that because you don't have adequate equipment to stream. Now, the good news for you is that you can go to your provider's website and they will provide for you the actual equipment that works on their network. And that way you can go to a Best Buy, a Walmart, or wherever you get your electronic devices and purchase that modem so you can use it with their services. So, the second thing, you have to purchase your own equipment. All right, so we got 2 out of the 3. And the third one, I believe 3 or 4. But the third one is just as important. Just as important. If you already are streaming, make sure, and we've said this before, that you close all background applications and processes. That is so important that you shut those things down. And there's a way for you to do that all the time. And I thought I had it on this box, but in the Google Play Store, it's not on here. It's on my other ones. So let me find the Google Play Store. If I go to the Google Play Store and I go to the top here, hopefully I can find it, and I type in background, come on. There it is right there. This app right here is in the Google Play Store. This app, Background Apps and Processes List, is the application that's in the Google Play Store that will eliminate the background applications and processes on your device. Many of you are streaming without having this type of option, and all these applications are running and using the internet in the background while you're trying to watch something. And what's happening is it's eating up your bandwidth, where it's really starting to affect the quality of your entertainment. It's starting to affect it where you're buffering a lot more. All of a sudden, it's just stuttering and you don't know what to do. And so we get these calls where they're saying, it's your box, it's your box, it's your box. No, it's not. It's actually you not knowing what is available to you for free and not using it. And I've said this over the years, so it's worth repeating. Go to the Google Play Store, find a background apps or process list. I mean, I use TechDocs and it works really well. So that's it. The fourth and final thing and this pertains if you have a formula or something that updates software all the time. The last thing is do your software updates if your unit requires it. Now, software updates might be called ROM updates on the hardware. If you don't do a software update, like this box here requires a software update. If I don't do that software update and I ignore it, it is going to affect the quality of the stream and experience on the box. So those are the 4 things you need to do. You have to do them. And the last one is very easy because on this unit, it tells you there is a software update. Please apply. It's just like your phone. If you never updated your Android phone or Apple phone, it is going to not be able to be or run at an optimal level. You're not going to call Verizon and say, why'd you sell me this phone? It's not working right. No, you don't call them. You'll call someone else like us who sell devices and demand that we fix something. Now, we don't move when you say move. We move because we want to move. And what we wanted to do was make this video so you can be equipped, educated to make the right decision. Because 100% of the time, if you're having a terrible experience with your device, it's your internet. Because that's the only thing that you can control. Now, let me say 99%. If it happens to be the box, great. Let us diagnose that and we'll replace your box if you work with us. If not, do some of the things we just said, try them out, see if it works. If I don't know what I'm doing, there's plenty of people that know better than I. Trust them. But do something. Stop pointing the finger like it's someone else's fault when it's actually your responsibility if you're going to be streaming 100%. Hey, thank you guys so much. I'm going to end the video on that note. Thank you guys for being a solid subscriber and listening to this video or watching it. I'm going to be announcing the winner of the Z11 Pro Max in the next video. Thank you guys for whoever filled that form out and joining. I look forward to contacting you and mailing you your new Formula Z11 Pro Max. And thank you for following the Boxman and the Stream Machines. And go back and listen to this video and try it. And I guarantee you, I guarantee you, you'll have a better